Hi guys, I just want to go over and review one more time kind of where we are with our midterm and where we're going. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you so that we can get to Blackboard. I'm going to show you what I've loaded into Blackboard. Okay, so of course you're going to see this video there as well, but let's get over to the screen. And I'm not at the beach, by the way. I wish I was, but I'm not. Okay, so let's open up 205. And let's go over to content, scroll down to where you said midterm final projects, and you see I've changed it to curriculum mapping. This says it's due July 20th, but we actually, I think according to our calendar, we said, let me look at my calendar really quickly, okay? I think we said the 27th, okay? So July 27th. So I'll change that right here to represent July 27th. But go ahead and open up that midterm project, curriculum mapping and lesson planning. So we're going to click on that. I have loaded for you here the map. So that you can see March, April, and May. Remember, when you come next week to class, you need to be prepared to make sure you have 3 activities for August through May. Okay, some of you have already written your 3 activities through, I think, February maybe, but some of you have not. So if you know if you've done 3 or not. So be prepared to make sure you have 3 activities for every month. Okay, and sometimes when you get here, some people have different, some people may share the same activity as you. So if I were you, I'd have a few backups planned, okay, so that I can make sure that I have 3 that I can list that are separate from any that anyone else has done. But here's the map. It's basically the same thing that we have hanging on our wall, just in a typed version. So if you scroll right below that, you see the direction slash links and the ACELS correlation sheet. This is a piece that we were talking about, is how are we going to make sure that when you're trying to use this document that you have the directions and the links, and also how it correlates to the Alabama standards for early learning and development. So you have a Word document here, and then a PDF document here, but I'm just going to go ahead and open up this one so you can see it. Now remember, this is the piece that we said you were going to come next week with every single month done, okay? So you're going to write the month here, August. You're going to write your activity here, at least the activity and the curriculum name. If you can go ahead and put the directions and the links here, great. Do not worry about the ACELS correlation. We're going to do that piece together. Okay, so you're going to need to print 1 sheet per month, and you will notice that there's a place for you to put all 3 of your activities on here. Okay, and then we will go through and put in the ACELS correlation in class together as we go through that document. Okay, so for Tuesday, July 20th, you need to make sure you have all of your activities, 3 all the way for August to May. You need to have 1 sheet right here by month where you've listed all 3 of your activities. Now, if you don't have time to do all of the directions and links by Tuesday, that's fine. You can leave that piece blank, but you need to make sure you have a sheet per month with the activity and the curricula area so that we can then tie it into the ACELS, okay? And that's, we're going to take the first 30 minutes or so of class on the 20th to allow you to go to the map and write it up. Put your activities on the map. And then we're going to dive right into the ACELS document so that we can get this done, okay? If you have a device, bring that next week, a computer, laptop, because I only have a few hard copies of the ACELS documents. We're actually going to have to access it online for some of you, okay? So, and I think it will just be easier to see it on a computer or iPad, laptop, than it will be on your telephone, because it'll be so small. Okay, so bring that to class with you, and if you have any questions, you message me. Okay, enjoy your weekend, and I'll see y'all next week.